Hi, good afternoon. Can you briefly introduce yourself, please?
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Leslie, 47 years old. I have two children and I'm widowed and I'm college level.
Okay, so can you tell me about your work experiences?
My work experiences, ma'am, I take care of elderly and clean the house, cooking, um, take care the baby, my children, and I currently live in Chimchachoy.
Okay, so this is in Hong Kong, right? For how many years or months do you work with your current employer?
I'm only 11 months, ma'am, because my husband of my boss is moved to Japan.
Okay.
That's why
Mm-hmm.
that's why I'm only 11 months.
Okay. So do you take care of healthy or sick elderly?
Healthy elderly mom.
Okay. How do you manage your work with your previous employer?
I manage my work, my previous employer to divide it and make past 7:30 to 9. I clean the house and 9 to 12 I prepare her lunch and 1 to 2 I clean all the kitchen and 2 to 3 I prepare dinner. Then 5 my break time and 6 I prepare dinner also.
What is your preferred holiday or day off?
I prepare any day, ma'am, but I like Sunday.
Are you willing to share work with other helpers?
Yes, ma'am, I willing to share other helper. I'm very flexible of that.
Okay.
Uh,
Are you also willing to share room with the other helpers or with the kids or elderly?
Even home, ma'am, I'm very flexible of that situation. I'm okay.
Okay. How about your cooking skill? Can you cook Chinese food or do you cook Western food?
I'm very cook very well the Korean and Japanese food, but I want to learn Chinese food. I love cooking.
Are you also willing to take care of pets like dogs or cats?
Yes, ma'am, I love cat and dog. I want to take care if have.
Okay. What are your strengths and weaknesses? And please explain why.
My strength and weaknesses is I don't like loud voice and noisy, very noisy. I don't like. My strength is um, happiness and patient and only.
Okay. You have work experience in taking care of elderly. Are you willing also to take care of kids or baby?
Yes, ma'am. I want to take care of kids or children or newborn because I have two children that I hands on until they get 16 and 14.
Okay. How will you manage the kids during tantrums?
If the kids during tantrums, I will dancing or give the toys or singing that they relax.
Okay.
She or
Okay, Ate. So what is your message for your future employer?
my future employer, if you hired me, I try my very best that you like me and no no angry me and I will very honest to you.
Okay.